of people ask if they need a lawyer in order to get divorced. No, you don't. It's called being pro se. That means you represent yourselves. But I will say that Abraham Lincoln warned that a person who represents themselves has a fool for a client. Now, I'm not calling you a fool, but I'm a divorce attorney, and whenever I got divorced, I hired an attorney. So I was able to draft my own pleadings, and I did things to try to keep my costs down, but I was still, responsible in court for putting on evidence. And that's really hard to do when you're pro se. It would be really hard for me to question my ex and not come off as vindictive or vicious. And I'm like, and you did this to her, didn't you? It would just sound bad. And so it's much better when you have an attorney that is doing that heavy lifting for you and presenting it. Oftentimes, you might have heard the saying, it's hard to see the forest through the trees, right? You're too close to the situation. You don't know what way is up. And so, my attorney actually laughed at me because I would call her for advice. Like, how do I respond to this text message or what do I do? And she's like, you know this, like you're a divorce attorney. But when you're too close to it, it's really hard to navigate. Contested versus uncontested divorces. If you have any questions, we would love to help you. Give us a call.